BB Naija Reunion 2021. Real reason Erica and Keisha didn't turn up. Also promise Dorothy marriage and Prince ignores Dorothy. The Big Brother Naija Season 5 reunion show has officially kicked off and we are super excited we get to watch the housemates once more. From the host with the most, Ebuka Obi Uchendu, to the beautiful ladies and gentlemen who had the honor of reintroducing themselves to us. Everyone came prepared to serve looks and we loved them. However, Erica and Keisha were absent at the premiere of the show. Reliable sources revealed that this first episode of the reunion show we watched yesterday was shot on the last day of the reunion shoot, which happened days after Lucy slapped Keisha on set. So Keisha refused to come after that incident, while Erica didn't just turn up for the show, although she attended the show subsequently. As the housemates were ushered into the reunion studio, Katrina was spotted giving her colleagues cold shoulder at the BB Naija reunion. At the start of the show, Katrina was among the first four housemates who were called into the studio, so she had the opportunity to watch other housemates make entry. So while other housemates rose to welcome each other with joy, Katrina was glued to her seat, unconcerned, as she was seen giving an attitudinal look. Then Lucy, her former friend and ally, walked in and also ignored her. Haha. Katrina tried severally to greet Lucy but was ignored again until Ebuka called Lucy's attention to Katrina.
How you doing? Hey, Lucy. I'm fine, Ebuka. Long time no see. You make sure you brought back this your white hair from the house. Yes. Lucy, I'm saying hello.
So it appears these two housemates haven't settled their issues yet. Another surprising thing that happened during the premiere of the reunion show was when Prince stylishly ignored Dorothy. This was mad though. You all recall that Dorothy and Prince were like best friends even after leaving the Big Brother Naija house. So it came as a surprise for fans to see them ignoring each other. What could have caused their own issue like this? Well, the reunion show is on and we will find out soon enough. So the BB Naija reunion episode 1 ended as the organizers showed us an highlight where Dorothy was seen in a deep argument with Ozo. She was confronting Ozo for something that happened that we knew nothing about but is out now. So she went on social media and said, "I'm ready to be dragged." BB Naija Dorothy tells Ozo fans getting set to use her words at reunion against her. The BB Naija Lockdown Season 5 reunion show premiered yesterday and everyone is looking forward to the time 10 p.m. to see how the show continues. And going through reactions on social media platforms, we have come across some reactions from fans who vowed to drag any housemate who lied against their favorite. And here is our record. And here in our record are Ozos fans, popularly known as Superiors, who have promised to use Dorothy's words against her. It got to our notice that in the snippet video of reunion, which was posted by the BB Naija organizers, Dorothy was heard saying that her then bestie in the house also promised her marriage. Now, Ozos fans believe with evidence that such a thing didn't happen unless the show organizers wasn't disposed to show viewers that part during the lockdown show. But however, it is Superior have vowed never to spare Dorothy when the reunion starts. And one of the people who raised this issue on Twitter promised to drag Dorothy by her breast. At Dodoti tweeted, "Superiors, get your receipts ready. At Dorothy badge, you will tell us whether Ozo promised you marriage at any point in time. You go about acting like he abandoned you at the altar on your wedding day. Peace, Ambassador." And that kid Keke too added, "He say na marriage buying. Dear Dorothy, I'm ready to lose this account dragging your heavy breast tissues. I shall hope you log out during reunion because on citing the tweets from other supporters, Dorothy has responded telling them that she's ready to be dragged. I dare for you, my G. Let's make it a date 10 p.m. tonight. Baby Nigeria reunion. Miss Pacho replied. See then, we'll keep an eye on the reunion series. Guys, what do you think is going to happen on the show tonight? Do you really think Ozo promised Dorothy marriage? Because I don't really understand Ozo. I'll be surprised if he actually did, because that guy did so many stupid things in the Baby Naija reunion show, in Baby Naija lockdown edition. Yeah, sorry. So let's stay tuned and see how it goes. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment channels. We'll be bringing you the day 2 of the Baby Naija reunion show. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching and stay safe.